Israel indicted a senior leader of the Iran-backed Islamic Jihad movement whose arrest led to a brief conflict in Gaza earlier this month and whose detention is likely to fuel tensions. The charges against al-Saadi, who was arrested on August 1 during a raid in the occupied West Bank city of Jenin, include serving in an illegal organization and incitement, according to a statement from the Israeli military. Anticipating retaliation to his arrest, Israel launched what it called preemptive strikes against his group in the Gaza Strip, where it is based, leading to 3 days of Israeli airstrikes and Palestinian rockets. He has been held in an Israeli military prison. Al-Saadi, according to the military, is an influential senior official in Islamic Jihad who it said worked on core terrorist activities that include receiving funds from Gaza. An Islamic Jihad spokesman said Israel was fabricating charges based on misleading and unfounded accusations. He said the group would ask Egypt and the United Nations to intervene, and issued a veiled threat that it could respond with violence if al-Saadi was not released.